On their way to the filling room, cans move faster down the conveyor than plastic bottles. The reason why? A lower center of gravity, and the can's flat base gives it more stability than the plastic bottle's pedal-like base. The filling room is walled off to make it a clean room. As cans tumble in, they're turned upside down for a cleansing blast of ionized air inside this machine. Finally, cans enter the filling machine. The machine's valves can fill 130 cans at a time, at speeds of up to 1,700 cans per minute. That's more than twice as fast as plastic bottles.
On the can, it's a larger opening, and you don't have to worry about so much foaming out and rolling on the can line.
The whole filling operation is manned by just one worker. He has a critical task: to make sure the lid machine, known as the seamer, stays filled with lids.
If you're not paying attention and your lids go down, the machine will just stop on you. So you can't afford that.
Inside the seamer, the lid gets crimped onto the can. The factory has to make sure its customers get a properly filled can.